Welcome to Cooking with Jay. That is orange and mango Tropicana. That's turkey burrito wraps. First have some mixed greens. These are our soft taco shells. They're cheese for cheddar Monterey. Jack cheeses with taco seasoning. Rice and corn with green peppers. Onion to cut up. Some Tostitos creamy spinach dip. Pineapples. And of course the leftover turkey that we'll cut up afterwards. So the only thing that needs to be cooked right now is the onion, and yeah, we just have to heat up the rice and corn, warm the shell, and everything else is just to throw inside. We have to warm the chicken as well and cut it up. So cutting up our onions. And there was a trick, isn't there, like people who put the they put a matchstick. There's someone say put, like, if you rest a matchstick in your hair, like something about the matchstick in your hair draws the scent to you. Something. So I'm a big cleaner upper as I go, so I can't work in these pieces of onion on the table. So the eyes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, my eyes, this is... I think I'm just crying from the sheer amazement of the knife. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Let's try to push through. So, I was mentioning before that, just content creator life. It's from you're trying to do video, trying to do audio with the podcast. Ooh. Wow. That onion different. Oh my gosh. That onion is different. Ooh. Wow. What a knife though. I feel like I cut too much onion. So I'm gonna probably do half of this and put the other in a bowl or something. And here, because we don't need all this onion. Right, so we're gonna pack away that. Alright, next we're gonna I feel like I could just heat up the rice and everything in the pot, Not making sense. Cutting up the turkey. So just putting them into little diced cubes. Reminding me of the meat in the showcase at Chipotle. And as a chef, I am very much trying my best not to be tempted to taste piece as I cut, because we don't have this habit of like, while we cooking, you just have to add a taste it too, add a taste that. So I cut up the turkey, I cut up the onions. Now we're gonna get a pan. Wow, my eyes. Oh my gosh, my eyes. Okay, because we're going over here now. And I'll put the onion, and I'll put the rice, that meat. I'll toss up all at one time and have it good. I could crack open the can of pineapple. You can see how that's looking. And if you could, I can't tilt it because it will fall over. Anyway, right. Okay, getting the onions in there. Alright, find a different burner now. Different burner. Olive oil. Oh, never mind, empty. We wait. Alrighty. Great phone angles, I know. Great phone angles. Getting somewhere. You're hearing that? Let's start doing our thing with these onions. Yeah. Alright, that's what we're trying to get that going there. The onions starting to get somewhere, so I'm just going to douse in this sauce that my aunt had left over from the turkey. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to add in the turkey itself. Alright, so the board is now clear. So we give that some time to warm up with the onion, that sauce we have there. Let those things heat up together. If you find that they still have some big pieces of chicken, you can just use this cooking utensil and just break it down. So you can squeeze it to your liking, give it a stir. Okay, good. If you want to add any more seasoning to it right now, you can. So I'm going to put some salt. And I'm going to put some black pepper. With the onion and the chicken. And now that smells good. I'm going to add in the rice. Saffron rice, so with rice, corn, and sweet pepper. It has a lovely color in here. This is looking good. Wow. I like to wash as we go, but I mean, I could wash it now. Actually, I'm going to wash the rest now. So, yeah. Bear with me. And we're back. So we have that open. We have our cheese. We have more in the fridge if we need. Oh. So I'm gonna bring you over here to see how it is made. Now you see the size of the taco shell, so you have to kind of be ready to stuff it. And food in there. That smells really, really good. Really, really, really good. Okay, we're gonna add our spinach. Now this gives it a really rich and unique flavor. Really, really good stuff. Okay. Nothing must waste. Nothing must waste. Okay, so next. The pineapple chunks. There we go, look at that. Oh my gosh, I usually put about 4 pieces. And you start to roll, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck. Next side, roll, tuck. There we go. Next one is looking like a big boy. Whew. As best as we could, but that is our yumminess. So again, this is our wrap, which has the Spanish rice, so the saffron rice with the corn, sweet pepper, we have pineapple, we have taco blend, which is the different types of cheeses from Giant, and we have the creamy spinach dip, and of course our mixed greens with these taco shells. So let's go. And don't forget the turkey. And the sun is shining on it. That is good. Wow. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. was a lot of fun. See you next time.